Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. All right, we're on the record, and if I could have appearances of counsel, starting with Attorney David H. Baum.
Good morning, Your Honor. David H. Baum, appearing for Jolene Jerry Coleman, the proposed adoptor in this matter.
All right. And we also have, I recognize you from someplace.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gloria Allred, Morocco, and Goldberg, appearing for Ronique Smith, which we hope will soon be her legal name,
Right.
and her biological mom, and that's Jerry Coleman. Also seated at the council table, although she is not before the court technically this morning, is Renee, who is Pepper's sister, and who is also the daughter of Jerry Coleman.
All right, welcome. There's some other folks in the back of the courtroom. I don't know if we are going to recognize them or not. Are they your friends or are they just the press?
We do recognize some as the press, but we're happy to have this as an open courtroom if the court permits.
Well, I think this is an important case to share with the public, and a lot can be learned from the experience that we had here in the background, and I'm looking forward to hearing the history of this case and the good work that was done by the attorneys as well as all of you here. And Mr. David Baum has presented me with an agreement of adoption. Well, as I look at this immediately, I see that there must be an error here because it has Jolene's age should be reversed.
Thank you.
And I guess we need to have Jolene and Ronique. Each of you, this is little Ronique here being adopted. The two of you would both please remain seated and face the clerk to be sworn.
Each of you, please raise your right hand. You and each of you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Each of you, please state your name and spell your name for the record, starting with Ms. Coleman.
Jolene Jerry Coleman, Jolene Jehri Coleman.
Thank you. Next.
Ronique Smith, Ronique Laquette Smith, Smith.
All right, and as this document indicates, Jolene, you wish to adopt Ronique Smith, is that correct?
Yes.
And Ronique Smith, you desire to be adopted by Jolene Jerry Coleman, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And the parties desire to assume towards each other the legal relationship of parent and child with all the rights and responsibilities that go with that relationship. And I guess that's quite a history that you're going to hear about shortly. And this document has previously been signed. May we verify the signatures for our record? Thank you, Mr. Baum.
Yes, sir. Ronique, I'm placing before you the adoption agreement, which was filed with the court on June 8, 2011, and asking you, is this your signature that appears above your name?
Yes, it is.
Ms. Coleman, I'm placing before you the agreement of adoption form filed June 8, 2011. Is this your signature?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
All right, and I have the decree of adoption that's been prepared in this matter. And that decree says that the petition is hereby granted and the agreement of adoption is hereby approved. And the petitioner, Ronique Smith, is hereby adopted by the petitioner, Jolene Jerry Coleman. And Ronique shall hereafter be regarded and treated as she always should be, as the lawful child of Jolene Coleman, and bear the birth name of Monique, what's the middle name?
Platt.
Black Smith. And the court is happy to sign the document